So here's how to build a free landing page for an affiliate marketing. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure you watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. So the first thing you need to do is to go to Google Sites in any browser in your system. So if you click on Google Sites after typing it in Google, you'll be taken to this page here where we can create a new site. So first you want to go to a blank site. That's going to open up a blank site on Google Sites where we can customize and start to build our landing page. Now for this, you're going to have an affiliate product in mind already. I'm going to use the smoothie diet as an example. For this, I'm going to go ahead and open the landing page on ClickBank of that product. We will copy this header here, and we go to our Google Sites and just place it here as the title. So now we have a bunch of tools which we can use to edit the text. We go ahead and highlight it and just change the color to white. We can now add like a background image to our landing page. If you go over to a website called Paxels.com on here, you'll be able to find royalty-free images that you can legally use for free. So, if we just go ahead and search for smoothie, and we should be able to find a photo here. We'll take this one here. So I'll download it, we can go to Untitled Site, we can then change image, click upload, and you will just go to your downloads and then just find this image that you've just downloaded, and that will upload it to your site. Now we want to grab an image from the website here, the official landing page. We open Snipping Tool. You can just go to New, and what you can do is you can kind of like highlight that you want, and then you can click on the save icon. You can save this to your computer. If we go back to Google Sites and we go to Images and then upload the downloaded image, we now resize it properly. Now we want to add some text, so if we go to the text box here, you can then move this text box around, you can put it beside the bottom. I'm going to grab some filler text here, but you might want to write something in this text box. Now we will add a button or a link to your ClickBone page. So if I click on it, I can then go to Insert Link, and I can paste in my affiliate link to this product. So I'll click on Promote, enter in my nickname, click Generate Hop Link, and then I can copy my affiliate link and then simply paste it in here. And if you wanted to add a button, you can just go ahead and go to the right-hand side, scroll down, go to the button, and you can call it, let's say, Buy It Now. And then we can also paste in this link, and then you've got a Buy It Now button, which you can put anywhere, and you can move all of this stuff around. To publish your landing page, you go to Publish, and then you can give it a web address and select Publish.